Hello guys, in today's video we'll learn about closure in Rust. So closures are your inline expressions or lambdas or anonymous methods, whatever you want to call it based on different languages, but Rust call it closures. Let's understand how can we define our closures and how can we use them. So let's say you want to add a closure for sum. So we can say sum and then whatever parameters you want to pass it. Let's say I want to pass two parameters x and y, and then the operation is x plus y. Okay, so now if I go in and print my sum by passing the parameters 1 comma 3. Okay, so if I run, it will give me the sum as 4. So this is guys your closure, or in Python you must have seen it as a lambda expression or anonymous methods as well in some language. So this is our basically closure. Now what's the difference between a closure, or let's say if I add a method which is something like this, i32 and y i32, and then I return i32 and then I do x plus y. What's the difference between using this or this? Even if I use this, let's comment our sum, it's the same result, right? The result is same. Then what's the difference between using a closure versus a function? The first difference is that your closure is more concise and your function is like a very abstract logic. Okay, so if you want to use something which is abstract to that environment that you are using, then use closures instead of functions. Okay, and secondly, they are very short functions, small function that do some kind of very quick task for you. And whereas these functions are, the conventional functions are something which is a task, a lengthier task. You can define small functions as well, but it depends on the programming style again which you are using. And second difference is, let's say if I use let x is equals to 10, and then I don't pass x here. Okay, and then I don't pass x here because I cannot, I only have one variable defined. Now I use sum. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, now I use sum with just one parameter, and it can automatically capture x from its surrounding environment. Okay, now I do cargo run, it gives me 13 because 10 plus 3 is 13, so it automatically captures. I no longer had to pass it. So that's also a benefit that closure gives us, which functions cannot give us, because functions can only use parameters which are passed to the functions, while closures can use parameters from their environment as well. So that's it guys, it's a brief introduction to closures. I hope you guys understand the concept. Try using it with different operations, with different styles, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.